Hello, children. Welcome back to my Motherhood studio. As I had promised you, I'm going to tell you this entire week all Christmas stories. So I am back with yet another story. And the title of today's story is Who Ate My Cookies? Yes, you heard it right. Who ate my cookies? Come, let's read the story and find out whose cookies have been eaten. It was December and snow was starting to fall. The winter breeze was in the air, and the feel of the cold, strong wind was everywhere. It was Sophie's favorite time of the year, as she loved looking at the Christmas trees covered in lights. Don't you love it too? She was going to have cookies and milk every single night, she decided. But Sophie was confused to see that there was nothing on the table for her to eat. Who ate my cookies? Who drank my milk? Sophie said. Grandma, someone ate my cookies. Someone drank my milk, she said. Her grandma told her that maybe it was her father. Sophie quickly ran to her dad and asked if he had eaten her cookies and had her milk. But he said no. He told her to ask her mother. Her mother told her that maybe it was Santa. Cookies are his favorite snack and milk is also his favorite drink. Santa? Asked Sophie with excitement. The next night, Sophie hid behind the Christmas tree. She decided to stay there until she got Santa. She wanted to see if Santa was eating her cookies. But instead of seeing Santa Claus, her cookies and milk were actually being consumed by a mouse. Squeak, squeak! Can you imagine? The mouse was eating the cookies all this while. She was so sad that it wasn't Santa's. She was so wanting to meet the Santa. But that's absolutely fine. So, are you baking your own cookies this holiday? Do let us know, and do let us know if a mouse or somebody else is coming and eating your cookies too. Till then, bye bye. See you soon with another story. Enjoy your holidays and wish you all again a very, very Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.